Hi, I'm Beth and this is Summer and we are Chic Chic Crochet. Summer and I have something that we are dying to tell you. We just found out about it. It's huge, it's huge, it's huge. So I would have told you sooner, but I just found out myself. Premier Yarns is hosting a meetup on August 19th. I just heard from Elise Rose Crochet and I wanted to pop on here and tell you this is not my typical film day or uploading day. Today is Saturday, August 1st. So I just wanted to tell you as soon as I could because they are saying that the tickets will sell out very fast. And here are the details because I know not everyone lives around here where you can go, but this is one thing that got me so excited because I happen to live in the area. So it's only going to be about an hour and a half or 2-hour drive from me, depending on where it is. It's so new that they haven't even announced the exact location. They've only announced the day and time, and the tickets have gone on sale, but the location is not on there. So I am just extremely excited. Can you tell I'm out of breath because it's in my area and I'm going to get to go. And Elise said that the tickets would go on sale today at noon. And it is now almost 3 o'clock. That was about 30 minutes ago. So I didn't even know about this event until 30 minutes ago. And then I had trouble finding the link. And that's why I wanted to also pop on and share where you can find the link. I don't think that I am able to share it because the link was not given to me. So I'm going to just tell you where to find it. And I'm talking so fast my brain cannot keep up because I am just so excited and a little overwhelmed at this. So first of all, before I forget, I'm going to tell you where to find the link. There are several hosts. I am not one of them, but there are several hosts that have been invited, or hostesses that have been invited to host this event, and that will be there, and we are going to have the opportunity to meet them. And those people are the ones that were able to share the links, from what I understand. So I could not find it on Elise's YouTube channel. I don't know if she forgot to put the link in or if she did that intentionally. So I hopped over to her Instagram announcement. Again, I could not find the link. And finally, I found it on her Facebook. So if you go to Elise Rose Crochet Facebook, and then you go to a post that was from today, so today is August 1st, 2026, and that post was made at about 1 p.m. It was made 2 hours ago. The link is there. So you'll see a red logo announcement. It's like a flyer for the meetup. And then in the description, it's the description at the top where she's making her announcement. She says, "It's time. The Makers Meetup with Premier Yarns. Tickets are live." And then she's got the link and it says it's on August 19th at 5 to 8 p.m. in Charlotte, North Carolina. Hope to see you there. So if you click on the blue link, you should be able to get your tickets. Hopefully you're seeing this before they are sold out. I am out of breath because when I saw that this post was already 2 hours old and that the tickets were only $10, I just knew that I had probably missed my chance. And I was also thinking maybe that's why I wasn't finding the links in these other posts. But thankfully it was there, and I hope it's still there when you see this video and are able to click on it as well. And I'm going to read to you who the other hostesses are, or host. I'm not sure there are any men in it. I think it's all women, but I'm not sure. Some of them I recognized and some of them I didn't. First of all, Glenda from Creative Grandma is going to be there. Oh my gosh, maybe Cody will be there too. Glenda, girl, I cannot wait to see you. I will wait in line. I don't care how long it is. I will wait without food or water or whatever conditions, through hail, through snow, through rain, through lightning. I will wait in that line to meet Miss Glenda. I can't even believe it. I can't wait. Okay, so Glenda from Creative Grandma. Then Jennifer from Cinnamon Stitches is going to be there. So if you haven't seen Jennifer is a very dynamic personality and she has a prolific YouTube channel. She posts a lot. So that is cool that I would get to meet Jennifer, I hope. And then Annabelle from Crochet Grove. that is so exciting. I don't know as much about her, but I do follow Crochet Grove, so I haven't followed her as much as I have Jennifer and Glenda and Elise, but she's on there as well. Then Tia, the Crochet by Smurf. I don't even know her, but I'm going to look her up, and I'm going to be watching all of these channels between now and then. And if there are any of these that I don't know, I'm going to know them by the time this rolls around. The next one is Jennifer by Jen's Crafty Creations, and then Miranda by Crafty Mama Mer. And it's like crafty _ mama, MAMA _ MIR for Miranda. And then Melissa at Melissa Made That. So it's Melissa _ made _ that. And then Elise at Elise Rose Crochet. It's Elise's fault that I crochet, because she's the first channel that I stumbled onto when I was going on this quest looking for my next hobby, my next distraction, my next guilty pleasure. So I think Elise and Jenna from Crochet by Jenna, they were the first two, definitely. And I'm so disappointed that Jenna is not going to be here. Jenna lives in North Carolina now, so I know that Jenna would be there probably if she were not expecting her precious little one. So she is probably going to be delivering soon. So I completely understand why Jenna is not coming. That makes total sense. But I'm confident that Jenna would be on this list and probably one of the top creators who would be invited to this event if Jenna were not expecting. Jenna probably was invited, and she probably had to decline. I'm guessing. I'm reading into this, but this is what I'm guessing. So again, it says Premier Yarns Makers Meetup 2026, Meet, Create, Connect. And I could not be more excited. I am so excited. This is the first meetup that crochet meetup that I have ever been able to get to. There have been some local ones, in our area, just like from Facebook groups or whatever. But like a real big event like this, I have never gotten to go to one. This will be my very first one. I hope it will be the first of many, and I just can't wait. Elise is another one that I wrote a comment to her, and I hope she sees it. I said, Elise, brace yourself. I'm a hugger, and I've got my ticket, and I'm coming in. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you, Elise. I can't wait. I can't wait. And probably Jennifer. Yep, Jennifer's going to get a hug if she'll let me give her a hug. So I'm going to be a little scary. I hope they're not scared of me, but I really want some hugs from these ladies. And Glenda. Oh my gosh, Glenda. Oh, I cannot wait. I want to get something like a little yes, I need to do this. I need to make a little autograph book and take it with me and get all of their autographs, and then leave a page for a picture where I can make a little scrapbook if I get my picture made with each one of them, and print those pictures and make myself a little scrapbook. If you've ever been to Disney World when you were a kid, or you've taken your kids to Disney World, you can buy those autograph books, and you can go through the park and get the autograph and then get the picture made with the character, and there's a page for each one of those. We have done that with our girls, and it was like the highlight of their trip. They loved doing that just as much as they did riding the rides. So I'm going to be, that's going to be me at this event. I'm going to definitely do that. I'm just so excited. I cannot wait. So today is the 1st. I've got to wait 18 days. So 2.5 weeks. 2.5 weeks before this happens. And if they'll let us film inside there, surely they will, because I'm expecting they know that creators are going to show up and want to film. So I will be making a whole episode. There will be a whole upload just about our trip and this event, if I am allowed to film in there, and I will tell you all about it. Okay, so if you're coming, if you're going to get to come, would you please drop in the comments your name? So sometimes, when you drop in the comments, I only see your handle. And sometimes if I don't see your name, I will click over to your YouTube account, and if it tells me your name, then I know your name. But a lot of times it will just have your handle. So if you haven't updated your profile in that way, so if you've only put your name or your handle without your name, I won't know what your name is. So please leave a comment. Also put your name and maybe a physical description of what you look like in general, so that if you are going, I mean, only do this if you're going. You don't have to do this if you're not going. But if you're going, if you plan to be there, do that. And I will try to keep a running list. And when I go, I'm going to be looking for you all and you be looking for me. I don't know what I'm going to wear yet. Maybe I will be able to announce that. I'm thinking I might wear my sunny top. So that is that beige loose crocheted top that I made. And there's a video about that if you want to pop back and see that, what that looks like. But I think I might wear my sunny top if it's not too hot. Charlotte is very hot. We lived in Charlotte for many years, and my family's from Charlotte, some of them. So I've spent a lot of time in Charlotte. So I will tell you, most days in Charlotte are super, super hot. And it doesn't say that this is going to be in the Premier Warehouse. It says the location is undisclosed at this moment. I'm thinking it might be in a hotel, like a hotel conference center, but I don't know that. That is a total guess. And if it is, it should be nice and air conditioned, and I won't be hot, but I'm just not sure what I will be wearing. But I will probably have my hair down like this. I might call in and ask if Summer can come, and if she can come, I'll definitely take her with me so you can spot her. I highly doubt that they will let pets in, so I don't think that's going to happen. But you know, if you've been watching me for a while, you know what I look like by now. So you know what I look like. I don't know what you look like, but please come find me and let me know in the comments if you are planning to come, though, because I would like to know how many of my subscribers and viewers that I might run into there. That would be the cherry on top. I mean, yes, I am excited about meeting Glenda. I'm excited about meeting Jennifer. I'm very excited about meeting Elise, but I'm also really excited about the potential of meeting some of my subscribers, probably even more so than me meeting people I subscribe to. I would love to meet you. So please, please try to be there. Make it if you can. I know it's a lot to ask if you don't live nearby, but hopefully you do, and you could, you know, grab some friends and do a little girls trip to Charlotte, and let's all meet up and just have a great time. I mean, tickets are only $10. $10, that's crazy. Now, a hotel, gas, plane ticket, whatever else it's going to cost you to get there, yeah, that's going to be more than $10. But at least the tickets are affordable. So if you are in the area, you can come, and that would be so awesome, just amazing. I did not realize when I got up this morning that I was going to see an announcement like this that was going to get me so excited and so jazzed, and it's just made my day. I would really love to go to more of these, and that's something I'm going to be exploring. I am dying to go to a crochet retreat in the UK. I want to do that so bad because I have some sweet, dear UK friends, crochet friends, and I want to meet them in person. That would just be a dream come true. I would love that so much. So maybe this will just be the first of many crochet meetups to come. I hope that happens. That would just be a dream. Yeah, that'd be a dream come true. So I hope to talk to you all soon, and I hope to see you in person. That would just, wouldn't that be fantastic, Summer? I wish Summer could come too, but I doubt that they're going to let her inside. I don't think they're going to let you. Inside, honey. I know. But if they could just meet you, I know that you would be invited. I know that you would be welcomed with open arms if they just knew how precious you are. I know. They would love to have you there. So don't get your little feelings hurt, honey. It's okay. Don't get your little feelings hurt. It'll be okay. Yeah. She wants to come. She wants to come too, don't you, honey? Yeah. Don't think that's going to happen, though. I just don't see that happening. I don't think they'll let her inside. But I understand. It's not the right event for that, maybe. I don't know. I can't expect that everyone's going to invite her inside. That's not. Hey, where are you going? I need you to do our outro. I need you to tell everybody bye-bye. They're right there. Do you see them? So guys, friends, precious subscribers, precious viewers, drop in the comments if you're coming. And if you can't, I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. Yeah, I really do feel bad about that because there's so many things. I see announcements that I would like to go to, and I'm so envious that I don't get to go, and I see all these fun things that are happening and I can't go, or it's just too far. So if that's the case, I'm really sorry. But for those of you that can come, I look forward to seeing you there. This is going to be awesome, and we'll try to make it awesome for those of you who can't be there. We'll try to film a lot and show you the scenes and the sights and just fill you in on everything that happened and just make you feel like you got to go too, okay? All right, Summer. You ready to go? You ready to go? You ready to go? Do you want to see? Huh? What are you talking about, Mom? What are you talking about? In the meantime, my friends, remember to let your light shine and always stay chic. Bye-bye. Tell them bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Tell them bye-bye. She's not saying bye-bye today. Bye-bye.
Chic, chic crochet.